let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Tango silver level choreography with teaching count. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Very good, let's look once again from opposite direction. And quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And now let's look once again to the same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with progressive link, achieving promenade position. From here we continue with natural twist turn. Notice man turns little bit more to square partner and achieve close position. We continue with back corte. Notice last step is forward outside partner, and we continue with syncopated basic reverse turn. So we gain speed and continue with progressive sidestep reverse turn. And this is version with back corte finish. Very good, and now let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, facing diagonally to wall, and start with progressive link. And continue diagonally to wall with natural twist turn. We finish natural twist turn facing the wall and continue with back corte, moving diagonally to center. In same direction we continue also syncopated basic reverse turn. And now we dance progressive sidestep reverse turn. We turn against line of dance. We move ending of figure down line of dance. And we finish facing diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.